Hey guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today we are doing a really cool recipe. We are making chicken parm heroes with homemade marinara, freshly made chicken cutlets. I'm gonna show you all the steps, recipes. It is a cool, fast-moving recipe and you guys are gonna love it because it is Basant style. So let's go over the ingredients really quick, but don't worry, the recipe for the marinara sauce and for the chicken cutlets, I'm gonna have it posted in my description. So let's get started. We have a little black pepper, salt, red chili flakes, dried basil, chopped onion, fresh garlic, eggs. Over here I have about 2.5 pounds of chicken breast cleaned. I'm gonna show you guys how to fillet it and then turn it into cutlets. So for cheese, it's up to you. You can either use mozzarella or provolone. I'm gonna use provolone cheese because I just happen to love it. We're gonna use a little olive oil. We're gonna use tomato paste, crushed tomatoes. This is for the marinara sauce. I'm gonna show the application for it. We're gonna use breadcrumbs and my favorite, Italian bread. This is it guys, all the ingredients are in. Now we're gonna start the recipe in two directions. We're gonna start the sauce, we're gonna make the cutlets, we're gonna finish the sauce, we're gonna fry the cutlets, make the sandwich, and serve Basant style. I like to sharpen my knife really good before I start filleting. So with the chicken, you hold it from the top. Now I like to make my cutlets really thin. And with the knife, you just slide it in. No hacking. I want you to see the knife cut and I want you to see how skinny the fillet is. That's how it works. So what I like to do is after I fillet the chicken, I just like to break the muscle a little bit. Just a little bit so it cooks faster and it takes in the seasoning really good. So we're gonna put it in here. The chicken ready. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start prepping for the chicken cutlets. So I'm gonna break 4 eggs and get the shell out that I dropped in. Make sure that's very important. And here we go. So let's start making our dredging station. So we got the eggs. We're gonna take the breadcrumbs and we're gonna layer them out. Make sure you give enough room. So now dredging station, we have chicken, egg, breadcrumbs, resting area. So start with number 1. So we take chicken, and dip it in egg, really good. And you keep the other hand free for the breadcrumbs. So you put it on one side. This is what I like to do. And then you press it on. So the breading gets stuck to it. Really good. This is a beautiful cutlet. Alright guys, the cutlets are ready. I want you to see how thin they are. Now because of their width, they're gonna cook really fast and the breading is not gonna burn. I'm gonna show you. It's simple, it's awesome, but it's definitely Basant style. I have the fryer ready on about 350. We're gonna cook cutlet for about 3 to 4 minutes and we're gonna check. If we need to, we're gonna fry a little bit more, but we're definitely not gonna overcook it. So right after I put the cutlets in, I like to check if the breading is sticking, which you can see the gorgeous color and the breading is sticking and I think they're almost ready to, ouch. I don't recommend you guys picking it out of the fryer because I have a really high tolerance for heat. Use a utensil. Look at this. Perfect. Guys, the cutlets are ready. I want you to see how gorgeous they came out. Look at the color. They're not burnt. And look at the inside. They cooked. Within 2 to 3 minutes, they were cooked all the way through and through. This is exactly what you want. Now we're gonna let them rest. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to our cooking station and we're gonna make the sauce. It's a quick, fast recipe. I'm gonna put a little zip to it because I like my chicken parm with a little bit of bite. Let's get started because it is awesome. In 1/2 cup of oil, we're gonna add 1 chopped onion You don't want to cook it down all the way. You just want it to be translucent. And as soon as it's translucent, we're gonna add garlic because you don't want to overcook the garlic too. We're gonna add the spices, we're gonna cook them down. We're gonna add crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, a little bit of water, bring it to a simmer, and that's it. The sauce is ready. This is it. The onions are ready. This is about what you want, just lightly translucent. Now we're gonna add our garlic. Add 2 tablespoons. And saute it in, let it cook down a little bit. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oregano. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons basil. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, and this is optional. I like to add a little bite to it because I'm making chicken parm heroes, but you don't have to add red chili flakes. And now you just mix it all in and let it cook down. Wow, and the smell of oregano and basil cooked is just amazing. So we're gonna add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, and as soon as you put it in, it's gonna start to bubble. So you very carefully fold it in. Fold it in. Now you see, because you cook the spices, the sauce already has the color. Now you're gonna fold it in, put it on medium heat, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste in it. And now you see this can, fill it up halfway with water and pour it in. Now you mix it really good. What I like to do is just whisk it in. So this is about the consistency you want in it. All the spices, everything is in. All it has to do is cook down and everything to just absorb each other. So we're gonna cover it. We're gonna let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes on medium heat. You're gonna keep coming back and stirring it, and you'll know the oil is gonna come to the top. It's gonna look hot. The color is gonna turn super bright red. That's my marinara. It's ready in a few minutes. Wow. This is it. The sauce is ready. Look at the gorgeous color. And see that one thing I'm gonna show you guys, let me get a spoon, is my sauce is not runny. It's nice and thick because that's marinara. You don't want it runny sauce or you don't want the bread to get soggy. You see how nice and thick it is? Sauce is ready, the cutlets are ready. Now we're gonna start working on our hoagies, or on our heroes, or sandwiches, or our subs. So I like to butterfly them halfway so they still have a little fold on the side. Put 3 pieces of provolone and just let it sit. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna bake them so the cheese melts, the bread toasts, and we're gonna add our cutlet and hot sauce on it. Hot marinara, not hot sauce. I don't want you guys to put buffalo sauce on our chicken parm hero because that's not gonna be cool. So the hoagies are ready. Now they have the cheese on, they're butterflied perfectly. They're gonna go in the 350 oven just so the bread toasts and the cheese melt. 2 minutes tops. I don't even think you should stand there. You should check it. As soon as the cheese melts, take it out. I don't want you to overcook your bread because that's gonna ruin your sandwich. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the cutlets and we're gonna start putting them in. Now we have the sauce ready. Wow, it looks gorgeous. We have the cutlets ready, we have the bread ready. Put the sauce down. I like a lot of sauce on my chicken parm heroes. And you take it and you close it. Wow, the sun style. I'm gonna just put the toothpicks in. So, sandwich stays put. Wow, Basad style. So guys, everything is ready. Now this is a step I take before I serve my chicken parm heroes, is I'm gonna put them on the baking sheet and I'm gonna put them in the oven for about 1, maybe 2 minutes. What it does is it makes the bread really crunchy and crispy. I like crunchy Italian bread. You don't have to do it, but that makes it Basad style. This is it guys, everything is ready. You saw how we made the sauce, you saw how we made the cutlets, and you saw how I put the hero together. It is simple, it's awesome, and now we're gonna move on to my favorite part, plating. I'm gonna plate it in a very simple but superbly rustic way. Like I always do, Basad style. We're gonna take out my favorite serving platter. I want you to picture that you have 2 sides of a buffet line where your guests are here, you guys are walking around, you're talking, and they are eating. And they come on each side, they pick a little sandwich, they take little French fries, and it looks Basad style. So I'm gonna put 1 cup of sauce on each side, and time for my favorite garnish. Put on a little dry parsley to break the color up. And wow, that's something I want to eat. This is it guys, I showed you how to make the cutlets, I showed you how to make the sauce, I showed you how to put the sandwich together, and then I showed you guys how to plate it. The plating, it looks rustic, it looks authentic, it's something that I want to eat. If we were in my restaurant, this is how I would serve you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basad style. Alright, I'm gonna take it for a spin. Let's see. I like sriracha, so. Wow. Dude, this is what's up. It is one of the best chicken parm heroes you'll ever eat. And the sauce is off the chart. I'm gonna go back in. Wow. Basad style.